let's go fucking wild!
Well, looks like we gotta make some adjustments. Hey everybody, I made a ramp for my excavator. Let's check it out, see how it does. Well, looks like we gotta make some adjustments.